Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have the Hilti TE905-AVR service stop TPS system. This is some protector tool from the thief. Okay, the problem for this one is that the service light is go red. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's blink red. Okay, of course I can try to turn it on. Nothing happens. I can try to touch the TPS, it's still nothing. Okay, so what I will try to do, first of all I will take some boxes around here. Okay, so what I will do, I think I will remove the handle. I will check the cord, of course, for the first start. Okay, what we have here? Okay, the service light can mean something that can be mean that the cord is bad or the carbon brushes is thrown out. The other thing is that it can be that the tool is broken or it's just service hour for the maintenance passed. So okay, what we can see here is a sticker inside. So I think it was in a repair shop in some time. Okay, so just checking the holder. What we can see here, it's a magnet for the controller unit to drag the armature. Okay, I don't know why, but I will try to turn on only the handle. Of course it blinks the service. Okay, so I will check the cord. First of all, get some small screws here. Okay. Okay, I'm opening the handle because I want to see the cord. Okay, someone was opening it because it's one screw missing here. So, okay. I will unscrew the second one. Okay. What we have here, you have the cord, the controller unit. Okay. I need to take out all the controller unit. Okay, and I will get to the cord. I will try not to lose the bolts here. Okay, so now I need to test the cord. I will do that with multimeter. I will just check the resistance of the cord. So it will beep if it's good. Okay, just testing. Okay. Okay, it's not beeping. Okay, now it's beep. Okay, so it's beep, so I will try it with the current. Okay, I will loosen any of the wire here. Okay, now I will turn it on to the socket. Okay, so yeah, it's 222 volts, that's good. Okay, I'm trying to move the cord. Okay, the cord is good. So what we know now that the cord is good, the controller unit need service or resetting it in a service. Okay, so well, if it will be needed, I will send it to the service. Okay, I don't know how to reset it myself. But if I will get to that, of course I will make a video. It will be very popular because it's a top secret of the Hilti. Okay, so now I will just open the cover. Okay, getting it out. Fuck the grease, forgot about the grease. Okay. Yep, forgot about the grease. Just don't forget to unscrew this cap and take out the grease. Okay, now it's too late, a little bit too late, so okay, of course you can check how it spins. Okay, it must go easily. So yeah, now let's go easily. Sometimes the ball bearing can be stuck, so the motor will require the higher frequency. So it will be a higher load, and the controller unit will show the service because it sees it a fault. Okay, so now definitely this will need a new grease. Okay, I will just take it to the box. Okay. So now I'll open this cover. Take out it to the magnet. Okay, it's 6 screws here. Okay, we'll try to take it out. Okay, it's no luck now, it's not a problem. So, the problem is the grease on my table. Okay, so what we need to do now, I will remove the handle. Okay. Dude, you had a Hilti, just use the proper handle, not a piece of shit. Okay. I will just write down some comment for me. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to unscrew the screws here because I want to get to the hammer housing. Okay, so you see it's a really big torque here. Okay, I will try to unscrew it with a drill. I think it will not be able to do that because it's really high load here. Okay, I will take this one. I will try to unscrew it. can do that. Okay, try to use the key. Okay, still no. Okay, what can I do more? Okay, you're really big enough, but not as big as we need you to be. Okay, so I will try this key. Of course, I'm afraid to break it. The tool like this. Okay, it's good. Going. Oh, fuck. Okay, we'll try to take it now with the drill. You can see the grease on the housing here, so I will clean it later. Okay, I'll try again with this key because I'm afraid to break my key. Fuck how hard it is. Okay, I'll try to, I don't know. Okay, maybe I will not break this one because it's really too small for the bolt like this. Okay. Okay, it's going. And now just bolt for this one. Fuck how hard it is, really. Fuck and fuck again. Okay. So, what we have here, we have the housing. Okay. I will try to take it out. You can see it's the splits. Okay. Okay, it's split here, so I will try to take it. I don't know, in some way. Okay, maybe it will go like this now. Okay, this one is out. And the second one is almost out. So, okay. Finally. Okay, I will change the paper here. Okay, now it's the color. In the dust, of course. So now I want to remove the tool holder. Okay, I have the hammer here. I will take it out. This one goes to the bottom. Okay, what we have here. Oh, you are so greasy. Okay, so the hammer is out. You can inspect it from the board out. Okay. So we can see that it's shiny here, so maybe it's not a big problem. Okay, so the hammer looks really not bad. Okay, so I think I will leave it as it is. Okay. Now the other parts, I will take them out with my finger. Now it's a grease out there. I take some paper, it will get the grease. Okay, just cleaning this ring, checking it from the cracks. So if it's have no cracks, then it's good. There's no cracks here, so I think it's good. Okay. Now it's time to take some parts out. Okay, we can do that in a couple of ways. We can unscrew the screws here and then take it all out. I think I will try to do that. Okay, now I will try to use this key here. Maybe it will hold a load. Okay. Yeah, it's got easy stuff. Okay. Okay, it's 4 screws here holding all the housing. So, all 4 screws is in here. So, I will try to take the housing out. Of course, it's a grease inside, so. Okay. Okay. Fuck, the grease. Okay, clean some grease. Okay, I'm trying to take it out. Okay, it's out. Of course, a lot of grease inside. It's good. Really, it's good. It's a good sign. Of course, we need to change the grease if the service light is come on. So you need to change the grease, the carbon brushes, maybe the ball bearings. Okay, in theoretically, all ball bearings, all O-rings, oil seals, carbon brushes, etc. So, what we are looking for in the reality, so not always we need all the O-rings and some parts. Okay. So, clean just some grease here. Okay, it's a part inside. I want to take it out. Now I can't do that. Okay, we'll try to gently push it out. Nope. Okay. Okay, maybe it will leave out there. Okay, so I will just insert some paper inside the cylinder. Okay, what we have here? We have the tool holder. Okay, and I think it holds here. What, you can remove it or not? Okay, you must go out. Okay, I'm just pushing the housing up. Okay, maybe in this way you will see it better. Okay, fuck. Okay, so it's a housing. Okay, what we can see from the beginning, of course, we need a new ball bearing here. The second thing, I think we need a new carbon brushes. Okay. Okay, yeah, definitely we need new carbon brushes. They're out. It's a auto stop feature. So let the spring come out and disconnect the carbon brush. Okay, remove the second one. It's without that feature. So we need new carbon brush, definitely. So I can see it was disassembled some time ago because I see the places for the screwdriver to take out the ball bearing. It's one of the easiest way to do that, I think, if you don't have the special tool for that. Okay, just press it out like that. Okay, it pops out somewhere. Then you're looking for it. Okay. So I don't know, just pop it out somewhere. Okay. Still I will change it. So now it's the armature winding. Okay, it's the same method for removing it. Okay. You need just to lift it a little bit. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, gentle like with a woman. So, okay, what can we see here? It's a carbon brush holder unit. I will unscrew the 4 screws here and I will try to remove it. Okay, so I will take some parts out of here. Okay, so the carbon brush holder unit, I will try to push it out with the pliers here. Okay, so it's out now, check the contacts here. Check the carbon brush holders. Now it looks good. Okay, we have the armature here. Of course, I will try to knock it out from here. Of course, do that gently to not damage the gears, because it will be in a big problem for about 100 euros. Of course, if it's not a problem for 100 euros, then it will be a small problem just to replace the part. Okay, so what we have here, the plastic cover, I will remove it, or I will try to remove it. Okay, so I'm getting it out. Okay, the fuck. What I did wrong, dude. Okay. Just go back, you fucker. Okay. So grease here. Just inspecting the armature for the burnout or something. Okay, this one needs to hold perfectly, I think. So it's no holes in that. Okay, it's a ball bearing inside the field. You can see that the field is good. So I don't like that this one is spinning easily, so yeah, you can see that it's damaged here, it's melted, so we need a new magnet on the armature. Okay, so what we have more here? Okay, so some kind of cover. Okay. So, oh, you got out. Yeah. So one of the important parts here. Okay, it's okay, you and it's really now it's nothing important out there. So I will just fill it with a paper. The grease not come out. Okay. Okay. So what we have here, we have the greasy table here. I hate it. Okay, I will clean it a little bit. Okay. Now it's much better. So, okay, the connection rod. So striker out there. Yes, a striker. Definitely we need a new O-ring. You can see there's a flat surface here. Yeah, definitely, sorry. We need new one. Okay. So now about this little baby. So it's a ring here, spring ring. I will try to take it out. Okay, the spring ring is out. So now we need to knock it down to take out the connection rod and check that. Okay, I will try to just knock it out with a hammer. Okay, so it's okay, maybe it's going. I will put it on a vise, I think. Yep, it's going slowly, but it's going. Okay, so now I can disconnect the connection rod. Okay, I will take it out from the end here and check the O-ring. So okay, we can see that the O-ring started to crack here, so definitely it needs to be replaced. Of course, it's a flat, so it's really worn out. The connection rod is looks good. Okay, the ball bearing here looks good too. Of course, we can take it out, but I don't think that we need to do that. We can see that it's good. It's moving around easily. Of course, before repairing it, we'll need to wash it. Very carefully wash it. Okay, so thank you for watching. That was a Hilti. Okay, so little baby here. Okay, that was a Hilti TE905-AVR with TPS system. So, and it was a service light on. Okay, first of all, what we need to do, we need to get a new part, of course, and I think it will be good when we will change the carbon brushes. If not, of course, it's a way to reset the controller unit. I don't know if ask other technician to do that, and I don't know if he will let me or not to make video about that, because it's really a big secret. So okay, for now, thank you for watching. Hopefully I will be back with repairing and assembling back this tool, because it's a great tool, and I think it's interesting to see how the Hilti looks from the inside. Okay, so for now, thank you for watching. Of course, please subscribe to my videos, comment, waiting for your suggestions, how to make my videos look better. And see you next day in my second video. Bye.